chest right in the morning, like a warning.
Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to another video. This is the collab video, and today, and there's Amaya.
I'm eating cereal.
She's eating cereal. My face is a little broken out, but hey, it is what it is. I actually,
Mommy, I have a wig.
she says she has a wig. I'm actually going to be posting a clean with me today, and right now Amaya is eating breakfast, so as you guys can see, it's a whole mess, and I did not wash dishes or anything, so I gotta clean that up. And yeah, so it's gonna be just to clean my kitchen. It's kind of a mess, but you're gonna watch Amaya eat today.
Oh, yummy.
Are you excited about pajama day?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, but Mama, when I'm done.
Is it good?
I see like this something like I can see something.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn and you're on your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better.
Alright, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you are new, go ahead and subscribe. It's free, honey. Also, comment below. I gotta stretch, y'all. Your favorite part of the video. And stay tuned for all the back to school videos I'm having to do. I'm actually gonna do 2. I was gonna probably do 1, but I think I got enough footage to do 2. So stay tuned. I love you guys. And yeah, all the new subscribers, welcome to our family. We're so blessed to have you. Deuces is what? Brittany, you know what to say. Deuces is what? Deuces is smooches. I just finished editing this video, so I'm actually about to go cook dinner. Sometimes it be like that. You gotta just hurry up and edit a video. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. Talk to y'all later.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive.